So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Soji Gray and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video, you're going to be updated instantly. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transform your photos to a cinemagraph. Why would you need a cinemagraph? Maybe you want to post something on social media, but you want it to have that extra look. You can up your game when it comes to photos on social media just with a cinemagraph. Ideally, you'd have to use After Effects or, a very complicated software, but thanks be to God, we have a very simple and free app that you can use to have cinemagraphs. Now, the name of the app is called Pixaloop. So to create a new cinemagraph, you're going to open Pixaloop. So I'm going to click open. And once we have Pixaloop opened, we are going to click new creation. So you see it's at the top left, right in your face. Click new creation. And then I'm going to go through my photos to select, a photo I can use for a cinemagraph and Pixaloop. So I think I have this amazing photo of my cat. Which one? I think this one. Yeah, so I have an amazing photo of my cat. My cat is a very good model, so I think this works. And so what we're going to do is going to transform the sky, add some movement to the sky to have this really nice cinemagraph I can share on my Instagram or, WhatsApp status. So the options at the bottom, we have a ton. We have animate, we have sky, we have effects. Let me just start with sky, okay? So I'm going to click this first effect, and then I'm going to click the play sign. That's right at the bottom right. And once we click it, you can see this really nice subtle movement. I'm going to click the effect so that I adjust certain things there. You can adjust the opacity to reduce the color, and then you can also adjust the ambient. So maybe you want to maintain the actual colors of the original photo. You can reduce the ambient, as I've done. As you can see, we still have the sky moving. And then the horizon can increase or decrease the movement in the sky. So I'm going to go back. And already I think it looks amazing. Maybe let's try some more effects to see how it's going to turn out. I have other cloud effects here that I can use. So I'm going to select this one to see how it works. This one is not bad. This one is good. Still shuffling through to see which would be the perfect filter for this, good looking cat. I think I'm going to just go with the original one I created. And let me reduce the ambient. And this really looks amazing. As you can see, we have the cat, we have the moving clouds. Clearly, you can see this is an image, but then you see that it has moving parts. And, it's one of the nice things about Pixaloop. The fact that it's free, but you're able to do this with no hassle at all is amazing. There are cases where sometimes you would not want to use the sky replacement. You'd want to do everything by yourself. You can also do that. So with animate, you can be able to map paths with strokes with your finger, and then the clouds or the particular objects you want movement in is going to have that movement in that particular direction you draw the strokes in. So I'm going to click path, and I'm going to draw the movement from the right to the left. So I'm going to just draw some movement. And nope, sorry. How do I go back? So I'm just going to click this to go back. So I'm going to click this. So I want the clouds to move from right to the left. I'm going to click play and see how it goes. And as you can see, everything is moving in the frame. Now to stop everything from moving, you have anchor points. And anywhere you put the anchor point is going to stop the movement. So I'm placing anchor points around the cat to prevent the cat's body from moving. I just want the clouds to move, and that is all I want. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to speed up the movement a bit. So I'm going to go to speed, increase it a bit. And as you can see, it has a little bit of speed, and it reveals some more anchor points that I need to set. I'm going to set an anchor point here, and maybe here, here. And voila, we have an amazing cinemagraph image that we can put on social. Now for you to save it, you're going to click export. And then another thing I like about the app is that you have different formats with which you can export your cinemagraph in. So you have the original, so it's going to go with the original size. You have 16:9, you have 1:1, you have 3:4, 9:16, and 4:3. So it really depends on where you want to put it. If you want to put it on story, it would be nice to use 9:16. If you want to put it on your Instagram post, it's going to be 1.1 or maybe 3.4. So it really depends on what you want. So I'm gonna make the quality 1080p because for you to move it to 2K or 4K, you'd have to get the pro version. And so I'm just gonna leave it at 15 seconds because I want to put it on Instagram. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna leave it at 12 seconds. I want to put it on WhatsApp status, and I'm gonna set it to 19 by 16, which works for me. Let me just leave it at original to be safe, and I'm gonna click export. And as you can see, it's gonna export the project with ease. So this app is called Pixel Loop. It's available on the Play Store and the App Store. So if you are on the iPhone or if you're using an Android device, you can get access to this app and just create amazing cinemagraphs for your social. And I hope you found this video very helpful. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video, you're going to be updated instantly. It's your boy Soji Gray, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.